What can I get from this product?
Today I would like to introduce our new LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0. So what inside the box? First, we have one set of LacFree Wearable Breast Pump motor, USB Type-C cable, 4 different size flange shield, and one nipple ruler.
How to use this breast pump?
Our LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 comes with the 4 different modes. First, you need to long press the button to start the pump. This breast pump can up to 9 levels. This symbol to increase the breast pump level, and this symbol to reduce the breast pump level. First, we have the lactation mode. Lactation mode used before the massage mode to trigger the letdown. Next, we have the massage mode. Massage mode used to stimulate milk production. Next, expression mode. Expression mode used after the letdown and once the mix is produced. Lastly is a Pulse Pro mode. Pulse Pro mode used like a turbo which produce more vibration and suction to produce more milk. This LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 is built with the rechargeable battery that can use up from 4 to 6 sessions, and one session can complete about 20 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this breast pump will be auto shut down. For first time use, we would recommend you to charge for 4 hours, and for second time use, we would recommend you to charge for 2 hours. And this is the charging port for you to charge. This LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 also have a memory function. What is a memory function? Okay, for example, last night if you are using and stop at the massage mode at the level 5, so today if you are open the massage mode, it will be same as last night, which is in level 5 also. Okay, every purchase of our LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 will include the nipple ruler. So here I show you how to measure your nipple using the nipple ruler. First, you need to put the nipple ruler in between your nipple. Okay, for example, this is 10 mm and you need to add on 4 mm, which is 14 mm as your correct nipple size. After you get your nipple size, you can choose your size as we have provided you a 4 different size here. We have 18 mm, 21 mm, 24 mm and also 27 mm. So how to attach the flange shield into the breast pump motor? Okay, first you need to check the sizing here. Okay, make sure the arrow is at the bottom of the breast pump. Okay, here I show you how to attach. Make sure you need to press in to attach the flange shield into the breast pump like this. So you will insert your nipple in this area and all the milk will come down into this collector cup. After finish your pumping session, how to transfer or pour your milk from milk collector cup into the bottle of milk storage bag. First, make sure to hold your breast pump straight like this. Take off the flange shield. Turn around the bottom part and deattach it. Then, make sure to pour your milk this way. What's special about our collector cup as it is detachable, which is easy for you to wash every corner and don't waste any drop of your breast milk. After cleaning your collector cup, make sure to attach the rubber ring properly to avoid any leaking. Our breast pump comes with the Slim and Ergonomic Design, which this curved shape design is designed to fit your breast nicely. And you can compare to our previous breast pump 2.0. This LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 can easily put into your bra and doesn't look bulky.
How long is the warranty for this breast pump?
Our LacFree Wearable Breast Pump 3.0 comes with a 2 years warranty that only covers for motor. So if you have any question regarding the breast pump issue, can contact our customer service to do one-to-one exchange, and we do not provide any repair service.
Milkee Lab makes breastfeeding easier.